the times, if you see, we are entering a transaction code over here SC11, right, for the functionalities. Now we can create our own transaction codes also. For that, we have to go to transaction code SC93. Give the transaction name. I'm here giving the name as Z cards. I'll click on the create option. I'll just give a title called T code. I'll select the last option where I'm creating the transaction codes for the table. Now here the transaction code which we have to enter is SM30, since we have created a table maintenance generator for it. First, just understand what is the transaction code, then we'll discuss on it. We have to select the GUI support as GUI support for HTML, SAP GUI support for Java, and SAP GUI status for Windows. Now we have to give view name. View name is nothing but the table name. Now the update which we have to update, we have to just mention it as X. Then we will save it. We'll do the, since it is consistent now. If you see, I'll just show you how a transaction code. So now if I enter over here Z card, it will directly take me to the table output transaction code, wherein we can fill our own entries. So this is how we can create our own custom transaction code. Now we have to study a new concept today, which is called views. So if you see the theoretical notes which I had exchanged, probably I had mentioned the basic concepts of views. So views are like virtual tables. They only hold data at runtime. They do not store data physically. So there are 4 types of views in an ABAP data dictionary. They are database view, projection view, maintenance view, and help view. So we'll just see what is a database view first. I just give the name as ZDB view. Click on create. I'll select the option as database view. I'll give a short description as database view. I'll enter the table. So firstly, we'll just create a database view for a standard table. I'll enter the table as EKKO, and I'll click on the relationships. So which will allow me to show which table has the relationships of table EKKO, for which we can design a particular database view. So here, so if I select, so for example, LFA1, I'll click on copy. So it is showing us that LIFNR field is a common field between EKKO and LFA1. That is how we can join our tables. Now I'll click on view fields. In it, I'll click on table fields. I'll first select fields from table EKKO. I'll select say EBARM, BRS. I'll select all these fields. I'll click on copy. Now again, I'll click on table fields. I'll click on LFA1. I'll just a second. I'll click on LFA1. I'll copy fields LIFNR name 1 and save it. So in maintenance view, we can only read the database records. We can't change it. So now once I've created it, I'll do the syntax check. So views read only. So these are warnings. So means database view has been created successfully. I'll activate it now. So warnings they aren't any errors, so you can skip the warning. Now I click on table contents. I'll click on execute. No entries found for specific. They aren't any entries. I'll do one thing. Okay. So we had, if you remember, I had created a table. So if you remember that time, I had created a table called Z cars, right? To show the foreign key relationship. Let's just check on it. What was the table? Z car. click on the relationship. It is showing that Z showroom and Z cars are interlinked by the forest relationship. I'll save it. Again, I'll go to view fields. That I'll click on table field. I'll take the field all these fields. In the showroom, I will take the field that save it. Maintenance status can only be read only, not change. Okay, so database view is fine. Now, so if you see in this way, we have joined one or more tables at runtime to show the entries of particular fields. Like since I had joined table Z car and Z showroom, so I could display their joined data using a database view. So firstly, database view, we will only allow you to read the records. So going ahead, projection view, maintenance, we can allow you to read, change the records. So then this is what a database view does. It will join one or more tables at runtime with similar field. So this is a database view. So have you guys created any tables with foreign keys, which we discussed the last time? Any one of you? Has any one of you created that? Yeah, anyone?